The Realme Narzo 10 is a low-cost phone that claims to offer a great experience for young gamers thanks to the MediaTek Helio G80 SoC. It has an interesting look with subtle stripes down the back that appear to shift as you turn the phone under the light. It feels well built but is a little heavy thanks to the 5000 mAh battery. The 6.5-inch display is quite good and the HD resolution won't stress the processor too much, but some might prefer a crisper Full HD panel at this price. There are no variants, so you can only get this phone with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in India. Gaming performance is quite good, though he did feel the upper rear get a bit warm while playing heavy games. Battery life is excellent and you can get well over a day of usage out of each charge. The cameras are largely average, with the primary one doing well in the daytime but the wide-angle and macro cameras feeling a little subpar. Low-light photography isn't great, and video is also limited in quality.